sa dami mong options online, minsan ang hirap pumili ng reliable Bluetooth speaker. Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin yung Tribit Stormbox Mini and Stormbox 2. Bukod sa parehong affordable, yung dalawang Bluetooth speakers na to, maganda rin yung sound quality nila. I'd like to thank our friends from Tribit for sending me the Stormbox Mini and Stormbox 2. Kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, I'm Arthur, and if you love watching unboxing videos, tutorials, and product reviews like this one, make sure to subscribe kasi nag-upload ako ng mga exciting and informative videos regularly. To start off, let's do a quick unboxing. So these two came in a similar yellow box. Pretty basic yung unboxing experience natin for both the Stormbox Mini and Stormbox 2. They both have a user manual, a Type-C charging cable, and on both sides, meron siyang protective plastic to prevent any damages. So this is our Tribit Stormbox Mini, and eto naman yung Stormbox 2. Meron tayong 3 color options for our Stormbox 2. May black, which is the unit that we have, meron ding blue, and meron ding camo. Sa Stormbox Mini naman, yung available color variants are blue, black, and green, kagaya ng unit natin. Design-wise, very similar yung Stormbox 2 and yung Stormbox Mini. Surprisingly, kahit mas maliit tong si Mini, halos magkasing bigat lang sila at 700 grams. Pareho silang may 360 degrees surround sound capability. So kahit nasa labas ka and dun mo sila gustong i-set up, okay na okay pa rin kasi malinaw pa rin yung tunog nila. Yung body ng speakers natin is wrapped in this textured fabric, which looks very unique to me. Kasi nasanay ako sa ibang brands na either metal or hard plastic yung body nila. Parang mas okay siya in terms of durability kasi this makes it more shockproof. Speaking of durability, both of these are IPX7 rated, which means it can be submerged in water for up to 1 meter for 30 minutes without damage. Just make sure lang na naka-cover mabuti yung mga ports sa gilid. So let's move on to the front part. You can turn the volume up or down by pressing on these buttons. Itong O button naman sa gitna, multifunctional siya. If you press it once, it pauses or plays the music. If you press this twice, it skips you to the next track. If you press it thrice, then it will go back to the previous track. Sa likod naman, slightly different silang dalawa. Kasi mas maraming buttons and functionalities si Stormbox 2. Si Stormbox Mini, merong 3 buttons. This one is the power button. I-mention ko lang na as a power saving feature, these two will automatically shut down when there is no audio input or activity for 15 minutes. Ito naman yung Bluetooth button. You can turn this on to start connecting to your device. If this is already paired with your device, automatic na siya magko-connect. This uses Bluetooth 5.4 with a range of up to 100 feet. Itong button naman na to, or the movement of the LED lights on top. If you're playing a video or a soundtrack, these lights will synchronize with the beat of the music na pinapatugtog nyo. Sa bandang baba, pag tinanggal mo yung cover, nandyan naman yung AUX and charging port. Sa Stormbox 2 naman, we have 4 buttons. This one is the power button. Next we have is the Bluetooth button. With the Stormbox 2, meron siyang range of up to 150 feet, giving you more flexibility and coverage. This one naman is the X-Bass mode button. The main function of this mode is to enhance the sound quality. But don't worry because we will try it later. And lastly, this is the TWS connect button. If you have another Stormbox 2, you can press this button to simultaneously connect both speakers to your device. Pero gaya ng lagi kong sinasabi, kahit gaano kaganda yung specs ng device mo, kung madali naman siya malobat, X agad yan sa akin. But with the Stormbox Mini and Stormbox 2, hindi mo yan magiging issue. The Stormbox Mini can last up to 12 hours non-stop at 60% volume. If ever naman na malobat ka, it will just take you 2.5 hours to fully charge your Stormbox Mini. Yung Stormbox 2 naman, sit up a notch higher with 24 hours of uninterrupted playtime. However, it will take you a bit longer to charge because it takes around 4 hours to fully charge it. Now, One of the biggest advantages the Stormbox 2 has over the Stormbox Mini is having access to the Tribit app. It's really convenient since pareho siyang available for Android or iOS. By using the app, you can skip tracks or even go back without even standing up. You can also tap the equalizer and you can select from the available presets kung ano yung gusto mo. But if you're a bit of an audiophile, you can click on the Customize tab and tweak your preferred settings here. Okay, so pagkatapos natin pag-usapan lahat ng specs and features ng Stormbox Mini and Stormbox 2, now it's time to hear the actual sound quality by doing a quick sound check. I have here a couple of sound clips that I'll play alternately between these two to do a comparison. So this is the Stormbox Mini.
In your eyes, feeling the pressure. You and I spending the night, chasing forever for you. Oh no.
And now the Stormbox 2.
Blinding lights, lost in your eyes, feeling the pressure. You and I spending the night, chasing forever for you. Oh no.
Stormbox Mini ulit. And then, Stormbox 2. These two are not advertised for gaming. And wala rin silang dedicated na game mode. But to give you an idea, I'll play a bit of Call of Duty para ma-check lang natin yung latency. Well, kung napansin nyo, malaki yung pinagkaiba nung sound quality nung dalawang Bluetooth speakers natin. In terms of volume intensity and clarity, mas nakakalamang si Stormbox 2 over the Mini. Which is understandable. Kasi it uses dual 48mm drivers powered by 17 watts each compared sa Mini na 6 watts lang. Meron ding dual passive radiator si Stormbox 2 that increases low frequencies and improves sound by providing additional bass compared sa Mini na merong isa lang. Kanina I mentioned na you can activate the X-Bass mode of the Stormbox 2 by pushing on this button. With the X-Bass on, binuboost niya yung bottom end for a fuller and richer sound. Play tayo ulit ng audio sample. So, eto yung naka-off, yung X-Bass mode.
Oh my God. Let me show you what I got.
And eto naman, pag naka-on.
Oh my God. Let me show you what I got. This beat is so hot.
These two are far from perfect. And it's a bit of a minus for me na wala siyang dust resistance. But once you factor in its price, then it would make sense. Design is top-notch, battery life is A+, and yung sound quality, especially with the X-Bass mode on, will give other brands a run for their money. If you're interested in getting the Tribit Stormbox 2 and Stormbox Mini, you can click on the links on the description box as well as on the pinned comments. So make sure to check those out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share. So that's it. See you on the next one.